Hi everyone, you are welcome to this webinar. My name is Opayemi and I'm a digital marketer, a freelancer and online business consultant. In this webinar, I will be showing you how to easily and legitimately make $500 to $1,000 weekly in online with affiliate marketing. On this is 100% guaranteed. So this video training will completely explain everything you need to know to start making $500 to $1,000 weekly. Now imagine this. You find yourself consistently making 1,000 to 5,000 monthly in the next 3 months. What difference will it make for you? Will it make you closer to your dream? Will it make you get rid of debts? Will it make you start living comfortably? Or will it make you provide better for your family? Yes, the difference will be huge, right? I know, right? It would make a huge difference. So, if I tell you it is possible to start this kind of business that can make you $1,000 to $5,000 monthly with just your smartphone, with just your smartphone, will you believe me? What if I tell you that you can start this business from the comfort of your home in any part of the world and get paid in dollar or your local currency? How would that make you feel? Sounds so good to be true, right? Well, if you think it sounds so good to be true, yes, I used to feel the same way too. Until I found this unique, no fail simple strategy that I will be sharing with you. So I used to be a 30K monthly salary earner until I discovered this gold mine of online business made that has made me 5 million naira in 6 months. Now this is a brief story of me being a 30K monthly salary earner and then coming into online space, understanding how online business work. I was able to do 5 million naira in 6 months, and this make a huge difference for me. So I can't imagine how long it's going to make me to make this amount if I'm still earning 30,000 naira per month. Now, it is not just me. There are a lot of people doing this in online space, and I will be showing you. Here is a 16 years old boy that is bagging millions naira almost every week. Now, he was able to make 1.3, almost 1.3 million naira in a week. 16-year-old student that was able to do this business model that I'm about to tell you. He was able to do it and was able to generate this amount for himself. And that person make 180K in less than 70 days. Now, if these people are doing it, you can do it too. 63,000 in a week while just pressing their phone. She was able to bought a laptop, a dream laptop, after a few weeks of implementation. So she was able to slam 130K in a week, and that person was able to make half a million within 7 days. And you see, this is loud. Yeah, this business model is really, really loud. Now, I was able to make 100,000 with just 7 sales in few days. In few days. So this business model is affiliate marketing. So if you are like me before now, I hate the noise around affiliate marketing. You probably be thinking this affiliate marketing thing, there is so much noise about it and it's not even working. Like, are those screenshots even real? Yes, I thought the same way too, because most affiliate marketers out there are making it look like a get rich quick scheme, and the noise is just too much. Like, the noise is so much that when I first come across this business model, I find it so difficult to understand because the noise was just too much. So if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do things the right way and make your money. Now, so what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you promoting other people or companies' products to earn a commission. You find a good product you like, then you promote it to those that needs it and you earn your commission. So the commission could be 60%, 50%, 40 or even 30% depending on the commission the company or individual is willing to pay you. So now this is where affiliate marketing works. Imagine that you are promoting a product and the product is 30,000 naira. In affiliate marketing is you promoting other people's products and then you earn a particular commission from it. So and the commission of that 30,000 naira product is 50%. So that is you making 50,000, 15,000 pure profit on one sale. So if you're able to sell 5 in a week, which is possible, that is 15,000 naira times 5, which is 75,000 naira. Then multiply that in a month and see what that could be. Then imagine you are doing more. Now just allow your imagination to run. Allow that you are doing more. Allow that imagine that you can make 10 sales, you can make 100 sales, even 1,000 sales, which is quite possible because I know people that are doing it very well. And you're able to make 1,000 sales in a short time. Imagine what that is going to do for you. Now wait. Yes, wait. Don't bother yourself about how you're going to be making those sales yet. That is why you are here. If your current financial situation is not what you want, or you want to double your income and you are ready to learn and implement, then it will not be difficult for you to be able to smash those sales. Now, what affiliate marketing is not? Affiliate marketing is not a referral bonus. No. It's not a networking or MLM scheme, not a get rich quick scheme. Now, I've said that affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's products to earn a commission. Now, this affiliate marketing, how can you start? This is where it gets juicy, and I don't want to continue telling you stuff. I just want us to get straight into it. There are a lot of affiliate marketing program and platform, but Digistem is the best and the most recommendable as at present. When I tell you that Digistem, this platform is the most recommended, I know what I say. I told I've been into online space for the space of over 2 years, and I know what I'm talking about. So what is Digistem? Digistem is one of the biggest affiliate programs in Africa and is a digital marketplace that helps digital product creators to get more sales and connect with more people. Now, on Digistem, digital product creators bring in their products, and then you have the platform where you can access their product to promote, and then you earn your own commission. So Digisem is an affiliate marketing platform that pays you in dollar for promoting and selling digital products. So how Digisem works: get digital products on the platform to promote, make sales, get paid every Saturday. This is how juicy this platform is. Once you are able to get product on the platform, once you register on the platform and you get product, you promote and then you make sales, you get paid every Saturday. That is every week. So if you are able to make 10 sales in a week, you are going to get paid at the end on Saturday. Let's say from Monday to Friday, you work Monday to Friday and you make those sales, you've earned that 100,000, 200,000, if not to 1,000,000 naira. They are going to pay you every Saturday in dollar or in any local currency that you choose. So how do you register on the platform, or how to become an affiliate on Digistem and start making sales? All you need is to get Digistem Ultimate Money Making Machine course. Digistem Ultimate Money Making Machine course. The course is a step-by-step framework that helps you move from zero to $1,000 in 6 days or less on the platform. That is how beautiful the platform is. Now, this course that you want to get, the course is valued at $530. But if you are getting the course today, you'll be getting it for just $40, which is 20,000 naira if you are paying in naira. Now, this course, if you are getting this course, you don't need to have any experience about affiliate marketing before. if you 100% beginner and budget friendly, you can imagine it's something that is going to be earning you as much as $500 to $1,000 weekly. You are getting it for just $20. So you are going to be having step by step blueprint. You're going to be having a free 1 year account on the platform. There is no affiliate marketing program that will that is going to be giving you for free. Now, even those that are for free, they are not going to be as valuable as this. They are not going to be helping you to make sales. They're just going to leave you to go and find out how you're going to be making sales on your own. But Digistem, they're going to be handing you a course that is going to be giving you everything you ever need to start making those sales. You are going to be having access to how you can make $1,000 in 60 days. Premium marketing tools, building an evergreen 7 figures easily online. Newbie. Now, this course is so newbie friendly. No ethic process involved. Even a 15-year-old can do it. Now, if you are getting the course today, you will get it for just 20,000 as I mentioned, or $40 if you are paying in dollar. Is that not cheap? Or what do you think? To me, I think it's cheap, right? So imagine the platform that is capable of earning you $1,000 monthly and all money making knowledge you'll be learning in the course. So here is what you will get if you enroll in the program today. You have access to the 7 figure mindset to successfully build a profitable business that will make you steady commissions every week. Now you get rich first in your mind before your pocket. Learning how to create an abundance mindset that will help you attract high paying clients. Now, this is the first thing that you'll be learning in this course: how to transform your mind into the kind of mind that can make money. All that I don't know. You might be thinking that this thing is not possible. How can I do it? All those mind of how can I do it? When you get this course, the first thing you're going to be dealing with is to eradicating all those things from your mind. Because if it is possible for A, then you can be sure that it's possible for B. If people are doing it, then why can't you do it? Instead of you thinking that, oh, I'm not sure I can do this thing, I'm not sure it can work for me. Now, why not think that it can work for you? And everything that's every successful journey starts from your mind. So if you're going to be successful, you're going to be starting from your mind. So the first thing that the course is doing for you is to eradicate all the I can't do it in your mind. So we are going to have access to the step-by-step framework to make your first sales in less than 21 days. You're going to be having access to how to generate massive quality leads on Twitter, Facebook. If you know anything about sales, you understand that sales is a game of number. So you need to know how to generate massive leads, massive audience, so you can make those sales. You will learn how to build a landing page with your smartphone. Now, landing page alone, it's enough to make you some money. I remember when I wanted somebody to help me to build a landing page, I think the person was charging me as much as 15,000 naira or even more. I can't remember fully now. So landing page is a business that you can even build on its own. You're going to be having access to done for you copy headlines, for writing copy and content that you'll be dishing out to your audience. You're going to learn how to pick a hot product that has lasting solution to 80% of prospect problems. So it's not just any problem, any product that you'll be promoting. You will learn how to pick a good product to promote that there is no how people are going to buy from you. You are going to be having access to the secret objection handling formula, how to handle objections when you are trying to make sales. Now, this course is literally going to turn you to a sales guru. So you're going to be learning how to run converting ads on Facebook and Instagram like a pro with just your smartphone. Now, running Facebook ads and Instagram ads alone is a money making machine. I remember a time that I want somebody to help me to run Facebook ad. The person was charging me 30,000 naira monthly aside my budget. So all of the things that you'll be learning in the course alone is capable of turning you into a money making machine. That when you look here, everywhere you look at in yourself, you are making money. So exclusively for you, you'll be having access to the secrets to generate surefire content for your business in less than 5 minutes. You're not going to be spending time cracking, how am I going to generate content? You're going to be having access to, you're going to be learning how to convert your WhatsApp into a cash machine. the easiest funnel to convert that prospect to hot buyers in less than 14 days. I mean, you are going to be having access to a whole lot of this. I can't even imagine you missing this. I can't imagine you missing this. Now, imagine all the benefits you can enjoy if you're able to make your first 1,000 in the next 60 days of implementation. Now, the key is implementation. Just imagine you get this course, you implement, and you are making your 1,000. How will it be? So don't wait on this. You need to take action now. I mean, now is just the time for you to take action. Stop procrastinating. This course that you'll be getting for just 20,000 and is capable of transforming your life. So as a bonus, I will personally hold your hands and share with you my strategy that will undoubtedly make you your first 5 sales without running ads at all, organically. So this is what I'm going to be doing for you. And yeah, let's quickly look at frequently asked questions. Does it work? Yes. People just, when you come into online business, they just want to like, are you sure this online business is going to work? Yes. It's working. It has been working and it will continue to work because it's a business model. How long will it take you to make money? It won't take you much time if you diligently study and implement. What if I don't make money? Well, that will only happen if you don't put in the work. Yes, that will only happen if you don't put in the work. Making money is a game of work. Money will gravitate towards you when you do the right thing. It's so funny that people just want money without wanting to do something. No, this thing has been exist. It's a principle. Go and check it. From the richest man or in the world to, I mean, just check it. When you put in the work, you will get the results. So you will make money as fast as you can implement, and that is it. As fast as possible. If you can implement as fast as possible, then you will make money as fast as possible. What if I don't like selling? Well, I have not seen any wealthy people that don't sell. Selling has been since the world is. In fact, selling is a way of life. We sell ourselves every day. In fact, you engage in selling every day. When you're trying to tell that your friend about yourself, when you're trying to tell that your friend how valuable you are selling yourself to that friend. You are trying to make your friend accept whom you are. Is that not it? So selling is a thing that everybody engage in every day. So do you need a laptop? No. Your smartphone is enough for you to start with. Will affiliate marketing not crash? Well, I told you this is a business model. This is not just any online stuff. It's a business model that will be existing as long as the world is. What do you need to start? You need your phone, your smartphone. You need 30 minutes to 1 hour commitment to study and implement this course. You need 20,000 naira to get the ultimate money making machine that is going to hasten your journey massively into start making that your money in less than 60 days. So now, if you are ready to take action now, and I just hope you are really ready because I can't imagine you missing out on all those opportunities. So click the link in the description and I will see you on the money making side of life. I can't wait to see